my Dougies.
Hey, my Dougies.
Hey, my Dougies. So we never really got a chance to do this, but now we are. And in this video, we're gonna be introducing our monkeys. And and so basically, we're gonna be just like explaining our monkeys and stuff. Like, yeah. And so I'll start first. My name is Korza.
Mine's Kirza.
And my color code is 196.
And mine's 48.
488.
That's what I said.
I heard you say 48. Okay. You want to take place house? Anyways, yeah, so now our personalities.
Our cosmetics.
Our cosmetics. Doug shirt, top hat.
Cowboy hat, Doug shirt.
And now our personalities?
Yes.
Okay, I'll start off with mine. So my personality is like crazy. My personality is crazy, energetic, silly, friends with that, and ew. And obsessed with like games like Gorilla Tag and just like stuff like that. Crazy, silly, fun, angry shoes, and now you.
Okay, so mine is Uwu. I'm kidding. I'm not an Uwu. my monkey. Oh my God, she's bald. My monkey is silly and acoustic.
Oh yeah, mine's acoustic too.
Crazy,
bacon?
bro. I'll
Is
go
that-
crazy. If you do something that will annoy me, I will chase you down the map.
Yeah, me too.
But yeah.
I will literally pretend to kick you, and one time I did that, and someone actually left. But
We don't have legs.
well, no, it's duh. And we don't have mods, but I do have a Steam VR account. So yeah, I'm trying to get the Yeezy's camera mod. I promise I'll get it soon. Okay, it'll be so much easier to make videos. Anyways,
Okay,
bye my Dougies.
bye my doggy.
Бум-бум, шакатака. Бум-бум, шакатака.